Hello, in this video we're going to look at how changes in demand affect monopoly price through a mathematical derivation. Here's a monopoly's inverse market demand. Marginal cost is given by the following. What is the effect of an increase in A? So that's this parameter right here in the inverse market demand. What is the effect of an increase in A on the monopoly's profit maximizing price? First, we're going to get marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is just the inverse market demand with a slope that is twice as steep. Next, we're going to set marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. So marginal revenue equal to marginal cost, and we're going to solve this for Q. So moving some things around here. Factoring out a Q on the right-hand side, and now dividing through by what's in parentheses. The profit maximizing output will equal the following result. We're going to take this profit maximizing output and we're going to plug it into the inverse market demand. So where we have Q, we're going to place it with this expression. Doing that and simplifying here a little bit, we have price equaling the following. We want to find the effect of the monopolist price from a change in A. So we're going to take the partial derivative of the profit maximizing price with respect to A. We're going to get back the following result. So the partial derivative of A here is 1. Partial derivative of this expression with respect to A just leaves us with this. And this result here is going to be greater than 0. Assuming that D is equal to or greater than 0. So for example, if D is 0, this expression minus B over 2B will just equal minus 1/2. If D happens to be greater than 0, then this expression here will be greater than minus 1/2, like minus 1/4, minus 1/8, and so on. All right, so therefore, we just proved here that an increase in A causes a monopoly to charge a higher price. The partial derivative of the profit maximizing price here, P, with respect to A, parameter A, is greater than 0.